How to use Salesforce to manage your customer support. Today, we're exploring a powerful aspect of Salesforce: how to use Salesforce to manage your customer support. Effective customer support is the backbone of any successful business, and with Salesforce, you can take it to the next level. The first step to optimizing your customer support is by streamlining case management. Salesforce Service Cloud allows you to efficiently track, prioritize, and resolve customer cases. With automation rules, you can ensure that cases are assigned to the right agents and escalated when necessary. This boosts response times and customer satisfaction. Second step, Salesforce offers self-service options for your customers. This means they can find answers to their questions without needing to contact your support team. By creating a self-service portal with FAQs, knowledge articles, and community forums, you empower your customers to resolve issues independently, reducing the workload on your support agents. Third step, automation is a game changer. Salesforce enables automated ticket routing, ensuring that customer inquiries are directed to the right support agents with the necessary expertise. This means your customers get quick, accurate assistance, and your support team works more efficiently. Fourth step, reporting and analytics. To continuously improve your customer support, you need insights. Salesforce provides advanced reporting and analytics tools. You can monitor key performance metrics, track response times, and identify trends, allowing you to make data-driven decisions for enhancing your support operations. In summary, using Salesforce to manage your customer support is about streamlining case management, offering self-service options, automating ticket routing, and leveraging data through reporting and analytics. Implement these strategies in your Salesforce Service Cloud, and you'll deliver exceptional customer support. Ready to transform your customer support with Salesforce? Connect with Synatech to unlock the full potential of Salesforce for your support operations. Contact us today, and let's elevate your customer support. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next video.